We're gonna reach it. We're still walking. Oh my god, we're still walking. I brought this little fellow because I'm scared. We're literally almost there. We're so close. Finally making it. Oh my god.
Man, I filmed those cruise I ate last.
We're not gonna sit in front, so yeah. I'm so scared. He's also scared. Hey, we're eating on the boat. Right now we're going on top, and I really don't want to. Oh my god. We're still waiting.
As original to this island, they all need to stay here today.
So it wasn't as scary, and now we're here. Keep you guys updated. That was weird. Great, another hill. We're so close. We made it.